In Aguas de Alicante, we have always seen urban water cycle management as a basic need of the people we supply and essential for the development of cities. Aguas de Alicante's management dates back to 1898, the year in which the city of Alicante's supply network was inaugurated on bringing water from Sachs. In 1953, a political decision made by Alicante's town council brought together the public activity with private initiative based on the management of the Agbar Group, the leading privately owned operator in Spain, which created the public-private partnership. Aguas de Alicante is present in the municipalities of Alicante, San Vicente del Raspeig, San John d'Alacant, El Campello, Monforte del Cid and Petrer. Not to mention the challenge of getting water to the Barca Island via an underwater pipeline. We supply a total population of more than 675,000 people. We have a dual purpose, as an institution and as a company. This makes us different, because our criteria are not just commercial, we also follow the public service path and common progress in all our daily actions. Through the Canalles del Tayabilla Association, boreholes from the Bianopo Basin and water from the desalination plants, Alicante and its surrounding areas have this irreplaceable source of life. Aguas de Alicante has its own in-house laboratory to analyse water from the urban cycle of the municipalities it manages, with a highly qualified team and cutting-edge technology. The cycle begins by water purification and desalination via some very technical processes which ensure that good quality, healthy water reaches the towns and cities in optimum conditions. The water is stored in strategically located reservoirs, which enable us to guarantee supply to towns and cities for various days. The drinking water supply network is made up of more than 2,300 kilometres of pipelines. More than 267 remote stations equipped with data transfer systems send information to the remote centre in real time so that we know the drinking water condition and can accurately act from a distance. Sewer network. With more than 750 kilometres of sewer network, this second part of the urban water cycle accurately traces that other city below the cities, made up of collectors, sewers and other elements. The international standard ISO 17020 allows us to collaborate with public organisms to control industrial discharge, detecting and analysing it, and advising companies on how to improve their discharge to the sewer network. Aguas de Alicante also undertakes wastewater treatment in the city of Alicante and its metropolitan area, managing the treatment plants in Rincón de León, Monte Orgegia and the Barca Island. The treated water is used for agricultural purposes and to irrigate parks and gardens, and the resulting sludge from the process is also used as sustainable energy. Through its reuse, Aguas de Alicante completes and brings the urban water cycle to a close in an environmentally sustainable way. In Aguas de Alicante, we have been carrying out a special investments plan of €55 million since 2006. The special investments plan includes the infrastructure for the anti-pollution reservoir in the San Gabriel neighbourhood, which has a budget of €15 million. This feat of engineering reduces the overflows in episodes of heavy rain. The La Marjal Urban Flood Park, whose execution cost exceeded €3.5 million, is another feat of hydraulic engineering which eliminates flooding problems in the area of Playa de San Juan, at the same time as serving as a park for the general public to enjoy. As well as the special investments plan, we aim more than €5 million yearly at network infrastructure renewal in the managed municipalities. Aguas de Alicante has a quality management system in accordance with the international standard ISO 9001, an environmental management system ISO 14001, and is also Workplace Risk Prevention OHSAS 18001 certified. Aguas de Alicante has its own in-house R&D&I department, which has developed applications such as YCAST, fundamental when it comes to weather forecasts. The project SIP-AID, which allows us to have a flood prevention system, the COAMA, a system of complete seawater quality management, Metresa, software to manage the renewal of the sewer networks, the Galea system, for advanced sewer network maintenance, and ice pigging, which is an innovative pipe cleaning system using flow ice. One of the most successful projects has been the leak detection system, Hydroloc. This device, by using helium gas, is capable of detecting the smallest leak in conditions where available solutions so far have failed. The customer has different customer service channels: offices for face-to-face contact, a free customer service telephone helpline, and the online office. The social implication and human rights angle of water is also prominent in the social fund. Aguas de Alicante currently has €510,000 available to help the most disadvantaged families pay their water bill. In addition, we apply social tariffs, with allowances in case of leaks and special tariffs for large families. Remote meter reading and billing in situ are already a reality. These latest generation meters allow users to access information about their consumption daily. Last but not least, one of the company's greatest assets, which aims to raise environmental awareness, is the Museum of Water M2A, an enriching experience for all visitors. 330 highly qualified workers make up Aguas de Alicante. As a company, we are committed to implementing awareness and work-life balance policies. In addition, we follow an equality plan which guarantees real and effective equality for men and women. Awards. Applying our quality policies has led to recognition in society in the form of important accolades and awards. Aguas de Alicante is the result of know-how and the efforts of many dedicated professionals. It is an exciting project that knows no limit to its development and continuous evolution in a sustainable, collaborative way, side by side with our customers. Aguas de Alicante, more than just water.